Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to delete a Trello board. It's really easy, it's just a few clicks, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. But first, if you are looking to delete Trello cards as well as the boards, then we've got a handy power-up that can help you with this. It's free, it's a bonus power-up, which means it doesn't count towards your board power-up limits. So I'll leave a link for that in the description below this video. So if you're interested in that, go check it out. As I say, it's free and there's really no downside to giving it a try. Okay, with that done, let me show you how to delete a Trello board. Okay, so to close a board, it's really easy. All you need to do is head over to Show menu in the top right there. Then we want to click on More. And if we scroll down, we'll see Close Board. So first you need to close a board. This is similar to archiving. You can archive cards in Trello, so if you've used that, then this is a similar thing, but for the whole board. And then if you're happy with that, then you just press close, and now this board is closed. You can have two options. You can either reopen it immediately if you did this, change your mind, or you can permanently delete the board. And as that describes, this is permanent, it can't be undone. So the safest thing to do really is just to leave the boards closed, and then you could reopen them if you did think you needed it again in the future. So just to show you how that works, if we navigate to our boards, you can see these are some boards I have, and down here we've got view closed boards, and here we can see the one that I just closed for you guys. And again, you got those two options, so you can delete or we can reopen it. So for this case, let's delete, and as I said, everything will be deleted at this point. So if we go ahead, and now it is gone. And I don't have any other closed boards, so that option is now removed as well. Alright, so that's it. That's how you delete a Trello board. Really easy as I said. And don't forget to check out that power up for deleting cards if you're interested in that. And also, as always, if you enjoyed this, please do give the video a like. It really helps a lot. And consider subscribing if you want more tips and tricks for Trello just like this one. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.